Hello dear student, how are you? Welcome to my channel. I hope you are will be fine. I'm also fine, thank you. Okay, let's start today topic. Today topic is about benzynes or arynes. Benzynes, it is not benzene, it is benzynes. Yeah, today topic is benzyne. What about we study about benzynes? In today lecture we will study about the benzynes, the definition of benzene structure, stability, reactivity, formation, detection and reaction of benzene. Today you will study about all these things of benzene. Okay, let's start. How you can define how you can define benzene, that what is benzene? Are you ready? Yeah, I am also ready. Okay, benzene, 1,2 dihydro dihydrobenzene. It means C6H4 and its derivative is called benzynes. What this means? It's called benzynes. What this mean? It mean 1,2 dihydro. What this mean? Benzene. Mean, first of all, mean you draw the structure. It is the structure of benzene. It is the structure of benzene. When you draw the structure of benzene, after remove hydrogen, because it say that remove the hydrogen of one carbon and two carbon. Let's suppose this is one carbon, this is two carbon, this is three, this is four, this is five, this is six. If you remove 1,2 dihydro means hydro means hydrogen, d means removal. If you di mean two, if you remove these two, one carbon hydrogen, one number hydrogen and two number hydrogen, if you remove these two hydrogen, remove these two hydrogen, d means removal, hydro means hydrogen. If you remove this hydrogen and this hydrogen, and if it will make triple bond, then this benzene will be called benzynes. Like that, the structure will be like that. It will be like that. This is called benzynes. Yeah, this is called. Here is no hydrogen. So when and its derivative, like it is also the derivative of benzynes. It is also the derivative of benzynes. These all are the derivative of benzene, but this is called benzene when you remove the one carbon hydrogen and two carbon hydrogen, two number carbon hydrogen. When you remove these two hydrogen and make it double bond, when one hydrogen removed as a electrophile, when one hydrogen removed as a electrophile and another hydrogen removed as a nucleophile, then it will be make double bond. It will be like that. If if this hydrogen if this hydrogen remove as a electrophile, mean it will be as a if it is electrophile, then the double bond, this bond will be shift here, so it will be like that. Let's take the correct position of camera. Okay, it will be like that. And also, if we remove these hydrogen as a hydride as a nucleophile, then double bond will be shift here, so it will be like that. Here the positive charge will come on this carbon, and here negative charge carbon. It means it will generate this carbon will generate a hydride ion as a nucleophile. It acts as a nucleophile, while this generator this carbon generate hydrogen or proton is a electrophile. It acts as an electrophile. When it acts as an electrophile, so here this plus minus make triple bond, and like that it will be it will act double bond, triple bond, and it benzene will be formed. This structure will be formed. This is called benzynes. Yeah, the formation of benzene will be occur like that. So this is benzynes. Are you clear? Have you cleared the definition of benzynes? Okay, let's proceed the topic. Now let's draw the structure of benzene. What is how the structure is benzene? Benzene has structure like that. That has benzene has three normal pi bond. It has three normal pi bond. Normal pi bond. Pi bond. But one bond is not normal. One bond is not normal. This bond, the bond that is formed due to the removal of two hydrogen as a nucleophile and as a electrophile after the removal of these ions and form the bond called triple bond. This bond will be not normal bond. Why this bond will be not normal? This will be formed due to like that. This is the one lobe of orbital. The lobe will be like that, and also this lobe will be like that. Yeah, this will be act as a overlapping, partial overlapping. But this third bond is will this will be weaker than this normal pi bond, because here is not, because here is lateral overlapping. Overlapping is outside the ring. Overlapping is not inside the ring. It will outside the ring. The overlapping are not completely balanced like in normal case. So this pi bond will be abnormal pi bond, or you can say that also this is the sp2 bond. This is the sp2 bond, sp2 orbital. This is sp2 orbital. Yeah, this is sp2 orbital. So this is pi bond. This is the bond of benzene. This is the structure of benzene. I hope you will be clear the structure of benzene. Yeah, it will also make resonance. It will also make resonance. As I explained you before, this is plus, this is minus. It will be, act as a resonance. That will minus, it is plus, or you can say it will also make a resonance. These all three structures are in resonance. Is that clear? Okay, let's start to reactivity. Let's start stability of benzynes. The stability and reactivity of benzene. The enzyme is the benzene is less reactive. The benzene is more reactive species. It is more reactive species. It is very reactive species. It means that it is less stability. It have less stability. Why it has less stability? Because the abnormal bond that are external pi bond is very weak. It is very weak because of less efficient overlap. It is less efficient overlap. Due to less efficient overlap, this bond is very, so this bond will be very reactive. It means very unstable. If they are unstable, if they are very unstable, it will mean they are extremely reactive chemical species. So the benzene show very high reactivity. Mm, that's why you can say that it is unstable compound. It is also the intermediate of the different organic reaction. It is the intermediate in different organic reaction. So is it clear? It make for very short time in a chemical reaction, in organic chemical reaction. I hope you will be clear. Okay. So what is how benzene is formed? Formation of benzene. Benzene is formed due to different reactions, product of different reaction. It can also form from halobenzene. Also formed from halobenzene. Halobenzene is like the benzene that have one halogen atom. Like that is benzene having one halogen atom. Let's suppose this is halogen atom. So in a reaction, if there is any nucleophile that attack on this hydrogen will be shift double triple bond here, and the the halogen will be removed easily. And because halogen has a partial negative charge, high electronegativity, and it has partial, this carbon has partial positive charge, so halogen will be removed, and benzene will be formed, plus nucleophile, H, it will be act as a nucleophile H, and X will be removed. Or you can say that HX will be formed. Yeah, plus nucleophile is it act as a catalyst. So HX will be formed. And also benzynes will be formed. This is one reaction of benzyne. Like, let's take any correct example. So that is, let's suppose that is fluorine, and this is hydrogen. If there is O in water solvent, if OH are in OH solvent, in OH solution, strong basic solution, it is act as a base, and remove the hydrogen remove, it will be act as a, it will be formed benzyl plus H2O plus fluorine negative. It will be make benzyl. Is it clear? Also, from the orthodihydrobenzene, it also form benzynes. Number two, formation of benzynes from due to orthodihalobenzenes. How it is formed from orthodihalobenzenes? That is benzene, that is NEX, and this is NEX. This is, if this is first carbon, this will be ortho position, so it will call orthodihalobenzenes. If in the presence of lithium Hg, the mercuric lithium, and iron, in the presence of Mg, magnesium, or in the presence of magnesium, it will be formed, it will be produced, it will generate benzene plus X2. X2 means Cl2F2, it is X2, where X is halogen group, so it will be like that. If there is Cl attached in the presence of lithium Hg or Mg, it will be formed benzene plus Cl2. This is the formation of benzene. Is it clear? Also, benzene can form from benzene diazonium 2 carboxylic acid. How? Formation of benzene is also occur from the benzene diazonium 2 carboxylic acid. How? It is the structure of benzene diazonium carboxylic acid. This is the structure of benzene carboxylic, that is N triple bond in plus charge, having here is CO negative double bond O. So it will also form the benzene. How it will form? This lone pair, this negative charge will be shift here and make double bond. So after the formation of double bond, this bond will be broken here. If this bond break here and take and form triple bond, so this bond will be shift here and the positive charge will be neutralized. So how the product will be formed? Product will be like that. That is benzynes plus one N2 molecule, stable molecule is formed, plus one CO2 stable molecule will form. This is CO2. So these are the formation of benzene. I hope you will be clear. Very simple. Benzene is very simple. Formation of benzene is too simple. Is it clear? Okay, let's proceed the topic. The detection of benzynes. How you can detect that there is benzene? Benzyne can be detected by spectroscopy, can be detected through spectroscopy. It can be detected through spectroscopy. Spectroscopy is the technique, is the method through which we can detect different compounds like benzynes, carbenes, nitrines. It is also it can also be detect in different compound and different source from spectroscopy, from spectroscopic method. they also in the molecule they also make the benzene also make dimerization, and also through cycloaddition reaction it also trapping through cycloaddition reaction, so we can detect benzene and different compounds. Is it clear? Okay, let's the reaction of detection is clear. Reaction of benzene, how benzene can react. This is benzynes. Detection reaction of benzene, reaction of benzynes. This is benzynes. This is benzene. It can, when there is in the presence of H2O, when in the presence of H2O, it produce it produce the one, this bond will be shift to one hydrogen as a proton, means it will be act like this. If this is H2O HOH, this proton will be attack on this hydrogen because this is partial positive and this is partial negative, so the double bond will be shift here. So here will be hydrogen attack, where here will be plus charge, and so this oxygen, this hydroxyl ion will be attack here and will produce a OH, H and OH. So you can also write, because there is so this product will be formed. This is phenol will be produced. This is phenol will be produced when you add benzene with water. This is the first reaction of benzene. You can also, this is phenol, when in the presence of NH3, in the presence of NH3, it will be formed. How their mechanism will be occur, their mechanism will be like that. This is the, this is the triple bond of benzene, that is H NH2. Here is partial negative charge, here is partial positive charge, so this bond will be attack on this and it will produce. So here this hydrogen will be attached one on one carbon, because both carbon have symmetric carbon, so in any carbon positive charge can be go and hydrogen will be go. So hydrogen will be shift here, where here is will be positive charge, so NH2 has negative charge because it one hydrogen is a proton or removed. So this nitrogen, this nucleophile will be attack on this electrophilic center, that on this nucleophilic center, because nucleophile can attack here, so it will be NH2 and here will be form. It means that it is aniline produced. Is that clear? This is the another reaction of benzene. Here in the presence of RNH2 alkyl halide, amine, in the presence of amines, it can also make reaction. The reaction will be, the product will be like that, NHR, the product will be like that, hydrogen, one hydrogen will be here. So these are the products, these are the reactions of benzene. I hope it will be clear. If you have any confusion, you can rewind the video. After rewind the video, you will get the correct position. You will have remove the problems. If you have any question, you can ask me in comment section, or you can also ask me in my personal WhatsApp that I put in the description box, my WhatsApp number as well as my Gmail number, personal Gmail number, so you can contact me there. Okay, please support me, help me, subscribe my channel. If you like my lecture, please subscribe my channel. It make me feel happy that my student are supporting me. Okay, thank you, best of luck my dear student, very best of luck.